Backslash hashtag lookup walkthrough. Backslash hashtag objective. Compromise the target machine by gaining initial access through the web application, escalating privileges, and retrieving both the user and root flags. Backslash hashtag initial enumeration. Nmap service scan identify two open ports. /TCP/22 SSH. /TCP/80 HTTP. The HTTP service redirected to /lookup.thm so the hostname was added to the local host's file. Backslash hashtag web enumeration. Browsing to the web server revealed a login portal. Testing invalid credentials showed different responses depending on whether the username existed. /invalid username wrong username or password. /valid username wrong password. This confirmed a /username enumeration vulnerability /. Using username fuzzing identified two valid accounts. /admin /Jose. A password attack against the /Jose account successfully recovered valid credentials. Logging and redirected to a second virtual host. Backslash hashtag elFinder enumeration. The redirected application was identified as /elFinder /. Manual inspection of the JavaScript files revealed the backend connector. Further enumeration identified the application version as. The connector exposed several readable files, including credential-related text files that confirmed the application functionality. Backslash hashtag initial access. The identified version was vulnerable to CVE-2019-9194 elFinder PHP connector command injection /. A public exploit targeting this vulnerability was executed successfully. A reverse shell was obtained as backslash hashtag local enumeration. Linux enumeration was performed from the reverse shell. The following areas were inspected: home directories, user accounts, /SUID binaries, running services, file permissions. A custom SUID binary was discovered. Hashtag privilege escalation to think. Static analysis of the binary revealed that it executed the external ID command. Because the binary relied on the system path instead of an absolute path, a malicious replacement ID executable was created in a writable directory. The path environment variable was modified so that the malicious executable executed instead of the legitimate system binary. Running the SUID binary caused it to disclose things stored password list. From the recovered credentials, the valid password for the /think account was identified. SSH access was then obtained. Hashtag user flag. After logging in as /think the user flag was retrieved from hashtag privilege escalation to root. Sudo permissions were enumerated. The following command was permitted. Consulting GTFOBINs confirmed that look can be abused to read arbitrary files when executed with sudo. The command was used to read. The root flag was successfully obtained. Hashtag result. Successfully achieved. Initial web access. Reverse shell. Local enumeration. Credential recovery. SSH access. User flag. Root privileges. Root flag.